What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Maha back again with another video. Tonight we're gonna hop into another install for the Chaser. Now I did do recently LED headlights on the Chaser, but Auxito LED reached out to me and wanted to send me out a pair of headlights. The Q50 couldn't really use those lights, so I was like, you know what, I'll upgrade the Chaser once again. So tonight we're gonna do a quick little install of the Auxito LED headlights. Now shout out to them. If y'all interested in these lights or anything on their website, check it out down in the description below. The links will be down in the description below, and it is an affiliate link, so you will be helping out the channel if you purchase something using my code MAHA, M-A-H-A, all capitals, and you'll get about 15% off your entire order. So go ahead, help your boy out down there, man. Without further ado, I'm gonna pull the Chaser in. It's already nighttime, so it'll be a perfect time to get this quick install in, a little test for y'all. Oh shit, let's bust my I need the stick. I ain't got hood stress, relax. Yeah, so these are pretty easy. Alright, and once again, shout out Auxito LED for sending these lights out, hooking your boy up for the Chaser. I'll do a quick little unboxing for y'all here, show y'all what comes in the package. So the size for the Chaser I have to use is the 9006 HB4. If y'all got a Chaser too, that's basically the size we need for our low beams. High beams, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna do the high beams soon as well, so when I do figure that out, I'll put that in the description below. But that's what comes in a box. Oh snap! Hey, this is the first time I've bought LEDs and they came with little gloves, bro. That's dope. I'm not gonna lie, that's dope. I've never seen that before. I don't know if they gonna fit me, but that's pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I like that. I like that. All right, got little zip ties, little O-rings here. This is the series that it is, the Y19 series LED light. It lights itself. So it look like they have little built-in resistors to negate any kind of codes or flickering that may occur. But these are lights themselves, nice and low profile, and these are pretty short as well too, so they should have no issue fitting in the housing. And oh snap, it has a built-in little fans there too to kick on to cool them off. So these are pretty dope. So basically this is gonna be plug and play. So I'm gonna take the old ones out, put them in this box, and put these new ones on. I'm gonna test these gloves out. Let me see if this shit's fit, bro. This shit's dope. That's the first time I've seen that. Yeah. Hold on. Is this stretchy? Yo, it's stretchy, bro. Yo. Yo. I'm geeking out right now, bro. This is crazy. And I literally was getting my gloves ready for this. This is so comfortable. I hope I can reuse these, not just for this headlights video. Yo, that is very thoughtful. I'm not gonna lie. Auxito, just for that little detail, shout out to y'all, man. So many years I've been ordering LEDs and never in my life received gloves for the install. So that's dope. That's dope. Keep that up. That's dope. All right, I got my trusty Auxito gloves. Alright, so this is the bulb right here. It's pretty easy if you're the OEM one. It is this bulb right here, so it's just turn to the left. Slides right up. Oh, your mother. Just gotta use the brains a little bit. Ooh, that went in nice. Solid. Test it out before we put it on. Oh, damn, that's bright. I was freaking, I see dots right now, bro. I was looking right at it. Why did I look at it? Bam. There we go. Alright. Now we connect it. I'll have to zip tie this with the zip ties they gave me. And let's test it out. Let's see how they look. I'm gonna back it up real quick and try to do a proper little comparison outside in the dark. Trusty stick. Yeah, nothing there. Okay, good. Don't be startled. I have to drop the hood for it to close. Oh, shit.
3 days later.
Damn, bitch, took your brights off. Anyway, past couple days actually went by because I had to redo this shot. I tried doing the mount on my phone, but it did not record any audio. So I was basically just talking to myself. So we're gonna hit this this little POV so y'all can see how the Auxito LED headlights are looking. Again, link will down in the description below. And big shout out for Auxito and sending me these headlights for the Chaser, man. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all for supporting the channel. And don't forget, use code MAHA in that link down in the description below so you can get 15% off your entire purchase, man. So let's get it. But overall, very happy with it. And recently I did redo my windshield tint, so I have a very light windshield tint on it. It's like a light blue, 70% VLT UV blocking type of tint. Before I had like 13 before I had like 15% tint on it, so you barely couldn't see anything regardless of how bright your headlights were. So now I can actually see at night, which is crazy, bro. But yeah, man, y'all can see in these dark spots, lights up the road very well. Has a good amount of distance throw. Now we're gonna hit the city kind of streets here, so it's gonna have a little bit more lighting. You won't be able to see too much, but I'm gonna try to get back in a dark road, which like minimal to no lighting, so y'all can see it better. These roads here suck. But again, overall, very happy with the headlights. You can actually see properly at night now with the tints paired with these headlights. So. It gives it a little moderate, you know, the old school with the new school. Because stock these came with like these Chasers and JZXs come with like you know, the ugly yellow halogens, so it's a nice little upgrade here. And like I said, y'all saw the previous clips there, just the attention to detail on the packaging and how they were thoughtful and set, you know, install gloves so you're not touching and getting your you know, the oils from your hand onto the LED and then damaging it. You know, stuff like that that sets you apart from the rest of the competition. So big shout out to Auxito for that, man. Appreciate y'all. Ah, someone bumping that. Yo, boy. Bro, I'll be bumping that song like every day. Oh yeah, I hear that little muffler delete. Okay, I was in the queue, bro. I need to work real quick. I gotta swap fuel. I might actually go and do that right now. I gotta swap fuels on the queue. I might want to take that out. Give the Chaser a little break. Chaser did very, very well this week. Q50 was down, so the Chaser had to step up, and she took the challenge. So I'm gonna turn that one in these dark side streets here with no lights. This is zero lights. Very, very bright. I'll tell you that right now. Lights up, literally lights up the whole street. see what's all the way down there. You can see if everything runs out in front of you. You can see potholes, especially at night if you got a lower car. Yeah, it was definitely a good move to take off the windshield tint on this car and just go with the light 70%. The dark tint on the Q, but the Chaser is gonna be a little bit more performance-driven build than, you know, Japanese street style 2JZ. You know, I'm gonna be pushing some horsepower in this car, so I want to be able to see what I'm doing. And I'm not gonna lie, that 3% I had on there before, bruh. Headlights were looking like freaking dimes to me, bro. Like, I didn't realize how bright these street lights are. When I saw the first night I got the lighter tint, I was like, bro, I can actually see. I feel like I'm looking in 4K right now, bro. Especially when I hit this road. This road looks so dark, especially when I drive the Q. It looks so damn dark. Now, not to the point where it's unsafe, but to the point where all that glare is cut out. So, but it also affects the visibility of your headlights as well. So, but don't get me wrong, I love the Chaser. I love it all, and I know I did it to myself, but I feeling like I'm Flintstone in this freaking car, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Foot be all the way down to the damn floorboard. It's going nowhere. It's making mad noise. Let me do a walk around so y'all can see how it looks on my side as well. Like I said, basically kicks all the way down to the end of the road there. Gives a nice little modern look to the old school JDM. Very pleased with them. It's a little look out there. You have to see from the outside of the car here. But y'all have it, man. Again, big shout out to Auxito LED for sending out the headlights for the Toyota Chaser. Appreciate y'all support on the on this build. And yeah, man, again, if y'all interested, go down, the link will be down in the description below. Code MAHA for 15% off your entire order, so go check them out. But with that being said, y'all are gonna have a good night, good morning, good evening, whatever your time y'all watching this. Be blessed, stay safe, and always remember, repetition creates precision, y'all. Let's go.